Hi guys, Eric Omondi here. First and foremost, I want to say a very big thank you and God bless you for the overwhelming response you've given Albert's family through the father. Just within 11 minutes of me posting that video, simu ya father imejaa. May God bless you. Anybody who sent anything, God bless you. Hiyo simu imejaa, we are trying to handle the crisis. Tumepata simu ya namba ya father ingine, bado ni ya Meshak Opio, that is Albert Ojwang's father. His other number is 011-366-496-5. Jina itasema Meshak Opio. Na pia unaweza kuweka kwa pochi, kwa ile simu ilijaa, na hata kwa hii ikijaa weka kwa pochi. Hiyo nimefundishwa leo, hata mimi sikuwa najua. Nimeona kwa comments that people already sending kwa pochi la biashara. May God bless you for standing with this family. It means a lot to them. Amenipigia akaniambia, Eric, please tell Kenyans I am thankful, I am grateful. God bless you, God bless you. The new number is down there. Tuendelee kumsupport, tuendelee kusimama naye na kumshika mkono. God bless you. Hi guys, Eric Omondi here. I'm here with Meshak Ojwang, the father to Albert Ojwang. I know a lot has been going on, and I know sometimes you can get carried away in the grief, in the funeral, and you forget hata vitu ndogo ndogo kwa life, like the family itself. How are they doing psychologically, mentally, physically, emotionally, financially. Yeah, we also need to stand with them financially. So I'm calling upon Team Sisi kwa Sisi. I know we cannot bring back Albert, but tunaweza jaribu kupunguza hiyo uchumi. Hatuwezi itoa, but we can comfort the family, can stand with our father here, and at least I feel support yetu, I feel tumemshika mkono. So I want to request Team Sisi kwa Sisi tumtumie ile Mungu anapatia kwa namba yake. Yeah? Namba yako ni
0727 92 78
98. Na jina ya M-Pesa ni
Meshak Ojwang Opio.
Meshak Ojwang Opio. Tuma 10 bob, tuma 1 bob, tuma 100 bob, tuma 1,000, tuma 100,000, tuma 1 million. Ama chukua funeral yote. Ndugu yetu wameacha mtoto 3 years old. Yeah? Sasa ndo baba huyo mtoto. So let us send money that can even support the son. Yeah? So God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.